Boy, it's a hot snow today. Whew. Today, we get to play my favorite game of Is the Ford Gonna Start? Got some fresh gasolina, and, well, let's hope it does, because otherwise we're plowing the driveway with a track loader, so we'll see. The battery's all charged, so I'm hoping it's just out of fuel, out of petrol. Let's see. Charged, yep, charged. We're gonna go to boost. Make sure she's got enough juicers. I'll give her a shot. 5 gallons ought to do it. The only thing I can think is there's like a slow leak on the fuel and I ran out. I don't know. Sick of this thing. Give her a little howdy doody. Oh, make her. Junk. Hunk of shit. That's all I got to say about that. See, that's how that's supposed to go. And the deuce and a half fires right up. The excavator fires right up. The International, everything diesel fires right up. Ford couldn't figure out how to make their 3-cylinder gas motor. But somehow Cat and International and AM General all know how to make a diesel fire up. Ain't that some shit?